Imagine coming home to a warm, satisfying meal that's been cooking to perfection all day, filling your kitchen with the most incredible aromas. That's exactly what you get with a stuffed dinner. A fun, creative way to serve up a delicious meal that's sure to become a family favorite. As the weather cools down and our schedules get busier with school, work, and holiday preparations, dinner should be easy, enjoyable, and maybe even a little exciting to make. And what's more exciting than a good stuffed main dish? Whether you're in the mood for pasta shells, roasted squash, or cheesy chicken, these 15 mouth-watering recipes are packed with bold flavors and hearty ingredients that celebrate the best of fall. But here's where it gets interesting. Each of these dishes offers a unique twist on traditional stuffed dinner ideas, so you're sure to find something that suits your taste buds. From classic comfort food to innovative new recipes, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and explore these amazing stuffed dinner ideas that you'll want to make on repeat this fall. First up, we have the stuffed cabbage rolls, a recipe that's been a favorite among AllRecipes members for over 20 years. This dish is incredibly easy to prepare, using cabbage leaves, ground beef, rice, and condensed tomato soup. The best part? It can be cooked in a skillet on the stovetop or in a slow cooker, making it perfect for busy weeknights. And this is the part most people miss. You can customize the filling to your liking, adding your favorite spices and ingredients to make it truly unique. Next, we have the stuffed acorn squash with sausage, a recipe that's perfect for using up that abundant, reasonably priced, and tasty fall squash. This dish is a great way to enjoy the flavors of the season, with a cheesy sausage and mushroom filling that's sure to become a new favorite. But what really sets this recipe apart is the use of acorn squash, which adds a deliciously sweet and nutty flavor to the dish. And if you're looking for more ideas, be sure to check out our collection of stuffed winter squash recipes. Now, let's talk about the stuffed eggplant parmesan, a recipe that's a delicious twist on the old standby. This dish is perfect for eggplant lovers, with a filling made from gently cooked eggplant flesh, garlic, and oregano, topped with homemade tomato sauce, crushed croutons, and cheese. But here's the controversy. Some people swear by using breadcrumbs, while others prefer to use crushed croutons. Which team are you on? And have you ever tried using different types of cheese, such as mozzarella or parmesan, to give the dish an extra burst of flavor? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Moving on, we have Kelsey's favorite stuffed green peppers, a recipe that's easy to customize with your favorite seasonings and toppings. This dish is perfect for using up leftover rice and adding extra vegetables like corn, making it a great way to reduce food waste and get creative in the kitchen. But what really makes this recipe special is the use of green peppers, which add a deliciously sweet and crunchy texture to the dish. And if you're looking for more ideas, be sure to check out our collection of stuffed pepper recipes. Next up, we have the stuffed shells, a family-friendly pasta dish that's sure to become a new favorite. This recipe is easy to make and always guaranteed to be a hit, with jumbo stuffed shells filled with 3 types of cheese and topped with a savory tomato sauce. But here's the thing. You can customize the filling to your liking, using different types of cheese and adding your favorite ingredients to make it truly unique. And have you ever tried using different types of pasta, such as manicotti or cannelloni, to give the dish an extra burst of flavor? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And this is just the beginning. We have 10 more amazing stuffed dinner recipes to share with you, each one more delicious than the last. From the easy stuffed taco sweet potatoes to the beef and rice stuffed bell peppers, there's something for everyone in this collection. So, which recipe will you try first? And what's your favorite stuffed dinner recipe? Share with us in the comments below. As you explore these recipes, remember that the key to a great stuffed dinner is to use high-quality ingredients and to not be afraid to get creative and try new things. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out, these recipes are sure to inspire you to new heights of culinary greatness. And if you're looking for more inspiration, be sure to check out our collection of creamy chicken and rice recipes, simple 3-ingredient side dishes, and our entire collection of stuffed main dishes. Happy cooking, and don't forget to share your favorite recipes with us in the comments.